Hi guys, so now we are going to learn about the Liquify tools. So if I come over here where I selected the width tool, if I right click on it, you will see some other options over here, some other tools. I guess width tool is also one of them. These all are basically called Liquify tools. So let me just delete all of this. Let me keep this cone for reference. So let's make this cone first. I will select the ellipse tool. The short key for ellipse tool is L. And I will make a circle over here. Press I, get the eyedropper tool and simply click over here. And this color has been copied now. After that, I will select the pen tool by pressing P. Simply click anywhere over here. Then click over here and here and close the path. Press I to get the eyedropper tool and simply copy this color. This has to be behind it, so I will click on it, right click and arrange send to back. Let's bring it down a little. So we have this simple little cone over here now. You can even make highlights like this, but we will keep it like this for now. So let's select both of them and press Ctrl or Command G to group them. So now they are in the same group now. So let's make a couple of copies of it. 1, 2, 3. Now select all of these and make 3 more copies. So let's start with the first Liquify tool. I will right click on the width tool and get the warp tool. You can make this brush little bigger by pressing Shift and Alt and then right click and drag. Again, Shift plus Alt plus right click and drag left and right. So let's see what this does. So using this tool, you can bend stuff like this. Simple. Let's go to the another one, twirl tool. This is a fun one. So if I click on it, it will start twirling the whole image. How cool is this? Let me go to the next one, which is the pucker tool. So if I click over here, it basically brings in all of the image. If I click over here, it brings all of this in. Let me press Ctrl Z. And I guess the blow tool is opposite of this. It brings out the things. So if I click over here, it will bring out and everything. Simple. Again, right click, scallop tool, and it basically gives the crystallized kind of effect. So click over here and you can see that it is giving crystallized kind of effect. Right click, crystallize tool, and similarly over here. So the scallop tool is just like crystallize tool but in reverse. It brings in the crystals and this brings out the crystalline form. And lastly we have the wrinkle tool. Let's try this over here. So it basically creates wrinkles. Let me apply this on whole image. So this makes wrinkles. So these are just fun little tools to play around with. But if you are really creative and use them properly, you can make some fun designs using them. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. See you guys in the next one.